Hey there, anglers and adventure seekers. Today we're diving into the world of small V-hull fishing boats under 18 feet. These compact, versatile vessels are perfect for fishing enthusiasts who want mobility, functionality, and a splash of excitement on the water. Let's explore what makes these boats shine, the trade-offs to consider, and why they might just be your next big catch. The V-hull design is a favorite among fishing boat enthusiasts, and for good reason. Its deep angled shape slices through the water like a hot knife through butter, offering incredible stability and handling in choppy conditions. Whether you're navigating coastal waves or cutting across a breezy lake, this hull keeps you steady and safe. This boat design shines when you're dealing with rough water. Unlike flat-bottom hulls that can bounce and jolt, the V-hull cuts through waves, making for a smoother and more comfortable ride. And let's not forget, you'll stay drier too. Small V-hull fishing boats under 18 feet are all about convenience. Their compact size makes them easy to tow, store, and launch, even if you're going solo. Plus, paired with an outboard motor, they pack plenty of punch for their size. An outboard motor offers the ultimate versatility. It's easy to maintain, can be swapped out or upgraded, and allows you to go shallow when needed. Whether you're fishing in tight rivers or open waters, this setup has you covered. Now let's keep it real. No boat is perfect. Here's a quick rundown of the pros and cons of these small V-hull fishing boats. Pros list. Smooth ride. Handles choppy waters better than flat-bottom boats. Compact and portable. Perfect for anglers with limited storage or smaller vehicles. Fuel efficient. Smaller boats and outboards mean less fuel consumption. Versatile fishing options. Great for lakes, rivers, and even inshore saltwater fishing. Cons list. Limited space. Smaller boats mean less room for gear or companions. Rough on, calm waters. The same V-shape that handles waves can feel less stable at rest. Weight sensitivity can be affected by uneven weight distribution. Weather dependent. Best for fair weather fishing, not ideal for severe conditions. When choosing a small V-hull fishing boat, keep these tips in mind. Consider your fishing style. If you love bass fishing on calm lakes, you might not need the deepest V-hull. But for coastal or rougher waters, go for a deeper V. Match your motor. Ensure the outboard motor is the right size for your boat. Too much power can be unsafe, while too little might leave you stranded. Test it out. Take the boat for a spin before you buy. Every hull feels different, so make sure it suits your comfort and skill level. So, there you have it. Small V-hull fishing boats under 18 feet with outboard motors. Compact, capable, and a whole lot of fun. Whether you're a weekend angler or a die-hard fisher, these boats can make your time on the water unforgettable. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and drop a comment below about your favorite fishing boat memories or questions about V-hull boats. Until next time, tight lines and smooth waters.